Today's product spotlight is on the Tesla UK 3/8 oil filter. The Tesla oil filter is the perfect component for your oil-fired system. Fitting one of these will ensure that the oil or kerosene passing through has been filtered to OFTEC Standard E104, enabling the appliance to operate more efficiently and to help extend its life. They come with replaceable paper filters. These offer great filtration of sludge and dirt associated with oil or kerosene, including metallic debris and organic matter. These filters should be replaced annually at service, and we offer them as a separate item. They come along with new O-rings too. The maximum working temperature of the filter bowl itself is 90 degrees Celsius, and they are already biofuel compatible. If you would like any more information on this product or would like to become a stockist, please get in touch. Thank you for watching.